Hello again. This is Latanya Powers with Storehouse Bookkeeping and Tax. And can you believe it's already the middle of November? Thanksgiving is next week. I saw a commercial recently counting down the weeks to Christmas, and as of the date of this recording, there are roughly 4 weeks to Christmas. About 6 weeks to the end of 2015. It's gone by so fast. Well, what should you be doing as a small business owner to prepare for the end of the year? Well, here are 5 things that you can do to start toward a successful year-end close. Okay, number 1, you want to take a look at your profit and loss statement. Find out how much money you've made or lost before the end of the year, and that way you can make the necessary adjustments. All right, another thing that you can do is to make sure that you have a W-9 for every independent contractor that you've paid $600 or more. You will need your W-9 to fill out your 1099s, which they will need for tax purposes, and so that you can protect your deduction. All right, so make sure you get those 1099s, or W-9s, I'm sorry. All right, you will also want to make sure that your payroll records are correct and current. Sometimes we fall back on those things, but you want to make sure that those are correct because, again, you'll need to have good records to issue your W-2s to your employees. And in the state of Alabama, you've only got till January 31st to actually get those out. All right, another thing that you can do is to start counting your physical inventory. Now, yes, I know it's not the end of the year yet, and so most people like to wait until after the end of the year to do that. But if you get started with it now, you can just make the necessary adjustments for purchases and sales that you've made over the next 6 weeks. And that will take you a lot less time than it would take you at the end of the year to count all your inventory at that point. All right, and the 5th thing that you can do is to actually review your accomplishments for 2015. What have you done? All right, and then start making your plans for 2016. You should make your plans before the start of the end of the year so that you can, again, make the necessary preparations for success. All right, so those are the 5 things that you can do to get you started for a great year end. And again, I'm Latanya Powers with Storehouse Bookkeeping and Tax, and that's my 2 cents.